Let's dive right in. If you're using something powerful like Acumatica, you probably know that feeling, the version upgrade dread.
Oh, absolutely. It's a
Right.
common pain point.
Yeah.
Thinking about errors popping up, maybe unexpected downtime.
Exactly. Stuff that just kills productivity and, frankly, stresses everyone out.
And sometimes it's the subtle things, right? Like a dependency conflict that seems small,
That isn't?
but it just cascades.
Yeah.
Our data actually shows like over 60% of post-upgrade issues stem from these kinds of conflicts.
Wow, 60%. Okay. And yeah, I bet many listening have felt that uncertainty. So today, we really want to get into how to handle these upgrades better. We're drawing on real experiences here, folks who've been in the trenches.
Think of it as a guide to sidestepping those common upgrade hurdles.
Good way to put it. So what are these core problems we keep seeing? You mentioned dependencies.
Yeah, dependency conflicts are a big one.
Yeah.
Customizations often rely on, third-party packages, maybe other Acumatica extensions.
Mm-hmm.
And if those aren't compatible with the new version, things break. It's like updating your phone's OS and suddenly half your apps stop working.
Got it. So compatibility checks are key there. What else?
Database schema mismatches. This is another major headache.
Ah, the underlying structure.
Exactly. Acumatica updates the database structure between versions. If your custom queries or reports aren't updated to match,
They just fail. You can't get your data.
precisely. It's like the blueprint's changed and your custom-built furniture doesn't fit anymore.
Ouch. Okay, that sounds frustrating.
It really can be. And then you've got environment inconsistencies.
Ah, the classic worked fine in testing.
Exactly. You
Yeah.
test in the sandbox, everything looks great, push it to production, the live system, and boom, errors. Correct. And underlying all this is the fear of downtime, right? Minimizing how long the system is unavailable is critical for any business.
No doubt. Okay, so those are some pretty significant challenges. How are people actually tackling this successfully? What's the proactive approach look like?
Well, it starts before the upgrade. Doing thorough dependency checks is crucial. Reviewing every single third-party piece, every extension for compatibility.
Like a pre-flight checklist for your software, making sure all systems are go.
Exactly that. And reviewing the customization packages themselves. There are tools like Acumatica that can scan your custom code.
Acumatica, what does that do?
It's specifically for Acumatica. It looks for potential problems, naming issues, code that won't work in the new version, broken references, that sort of thing. It's like a health check,
Yeah.
specifically for your customizations.
Okay, so finding those potential bombs before they go off.
You got it. And non-negotiable, rigorous database backups.
Yeah.
And not just backing up, but validating those backups.
Meaning testing the restore,
Yeah.
making sure it actually works, and the data's intact.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Testing schema consistency too. A backup you can't restore is, well, useless.
Right. Makes total sense. And what about those environment differences?
Pre-validation checks on both sandbox and production environments before you deploy. Trying to catch those inconsistencies early.
So it sounds like the solution really hinges on meticulous preparation, a structured checklist approach almost.
That's a huge part of it. Developing a comprehensive checklist covering dependencies, backups, environment validation. It's key. Using the tools we mentioned. Comparing database structures.
And training. I saw a mention of customer training.
Yeah, that's important too. Empowering the customers, showing them how to use the checklist, how to prepare. It helps them manage future upgrades more confidently.
So the payoff for all this prep.
Much smoother upgrades.
Yeah.
Significantly less unexpected downtime because you've caught issues beforehand.
Which means less disruption, more confidence in the system.
Exactly. People trust the process more when it doesn't constantly break.
Mm-hmm.
And they understand their own system better through the preparation.
Okay, this is really valuable. It shifts the focus from reacting to problems to preventing them.
That's the goal.
So if you're listening and thinking, yeah, my Acumatica upgrades could definitely be smoother, or you want to implement this kind of robust strategy, then consider reaching out. Tiana Solutions specializes in exactly this, helping businesses navigate Acumatica complexities, especially around upgrades. They can provide that expert guidance.
Definitely worth looking into if upgrades are a recurring headache. Which leaves us with a thought.
Go on.
Just how much downtime, how many frustrating errors could you realistically save your business with this kind of proactive preparation before your next critical software upgrade? Something to think about.